Welcome everybody to Omnisend's Marketing Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and help you increase your sales. This week, I want to talk specifically about a topic I've already alluded to, SMS. I want to explain why SMS is so important for e-commerce brands today. Last year, I was saying that if you're not using SMS by this time next year, you'll be behind. Well, that time is now. In 2020, there was a nearly 400% increase in SMS sends from the year previous. Last year, the number increased nearly 100%. When it comes to automated SMS, last year, brands increased their automated SMS sends by nearly 260%. The growth is incredible. The numbers are one thing, but the reason for it is really another. And here's the biggest reason you need to know. Everyone texts. Texting is not only used by Gen Zers, it's not only used by millennials, it's not only used by Gen Xers like myself. And here's the secret. Baby boomers also text. And as my mother proved to me, do sign up for marketing SMS. So ignore the generational cohort narrative. It's not true. Everyone texts because it's a permanent form of daily communication. And from a marketing standpoint, like email, it's an opt-in channel, meaning only those who want to receive them will receive them. So as I mentioned in the daily tips around list growth, begin collecting mobile numbers on your opt-in forms. This will serve multiple purposes. First, doing so will allow your customers to tell you whether they want to receive text from your brand or not. Second, if you begin collecting them but are not quite ready to use them, when you do become ready, you'll be able to hit the ground running. On a similar note, while you may not be ready to use them en masse, you can begin by adding them to your automations. And third, an often overlooked component of SMS marketing is used to help offset email unsubscribes. Think about it. When a user unsubscribes from emails, companies often resort to paid retargeting to win back the customer. Having another one-to-one opt-in channel to communicate with them through can reduce your targeting costs. Now, SMS is not a young person's game. It's an everyone's game, and the impact can be huge. On a previous episode of the Card Insiders podcast, I spoke with the owner of Divatress about their SMS program. Their owner, Rob, was initially skeptical of SMS, but figured he'd add the field to his pop-up form and just see what happens. In 8 months, he grew his SMS list to 70,000, 13,000 of which are SMS-only contacts, no email. They've generated 123,000 in sales through the SMS channel in those 8 months, and it now makes up 7% of their marketing revenue. Want to grow your sales? Start by growing your SMS program. So join me tomorrow and I'll explore types and use cases for SMS messages. Thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove how we can help double your conversions. I love saying that. Until next time, happy marketing.